ऐ सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान, तेरे उन जानिसारों, जांबाजों, शहीदों और मुहाफिजों को सलाम है, सलाम है, सलाम है, जिन्होंने अपनी बहादुरी की कलम से फतह की एक और बेमिसाल तारीख लिख दी। गवाह है आज भी कारगिल की वो बुलंद चोटियां, जिनको तुमने अपने लहू से सींच कर तिरंगे की आन बान और शान को रोशन कर दिया।
सबक सिखाया है मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Colonel Joshi on the radio said, after the another bunker was captured, my company's success की नलवाज़ ये दिल मांगे मोर।
चाहे आंधी चले तूफान उठे, बढ़ता ही रहे तू रुके नहीं, जब तक है फलक जब तक है ज़मीं, मेरा दिल ये कहे कभी झुके नहीं। बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा,
अगर मुझे अपने खून को साबित करने से पहले मौत आ गई तो कसम से मैं मौत को ही मौत की नींद सुला दूंगा।
कारगिल का ये युद्ध भले ही उच्च अधिकारियों की विस्तृत प्लानिंग और रणनीति के अनुसार लड़ा गया हो, लेकिन इसे जीतने वाले औसत 20 से 25 साल की उम्र के वो नौजवान सैनिक ही थे जो शेरों की तरह दुश्मन पे टूट पड़े। ये वो बेटे थे जिन्हें अपनी मां के आत्मसम्मान की चिंता अपनी जान से कहीं ज्यादा थी। पूरे विश्व पटल पर भारतीय विजय का डंका बजने लगा। आज हमारा भारत विश्व में एक नई शक्ति बन के उभर रहा है। कारगिल की ये विजय उस नए भारत की नींव का पत्थर है, क्योंकि इस युद्ध में बही खून की हर एक बूंद ने हमारे आज को सींचा है। वही खून प्रेरणा देता है, बढ़ो आगे, मत रुको, पूरी शक्ति सहित निर्भयता से हर असंभव पहाड़ इसी तरह जीत लो। सीने में जो भारत भूमि के प्रति प्रेम है वो पूर्ण प्रज्वलित हो। जब संपूर्ण विश्व के शीर्ष शिखर पर भारत का ध्वज फहराएगा, तब मेरे देशवासियों हर दिन विजय दिवस कहलाएगा।
Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it.
A very warm morning to all of you. July 26, 1999, a remarkable day when the Indian Armed Forces won a gritty and decisive war against Pakistan.
It's been more than 20 years since then, but the unparalleled courage and sacrifice of the Kargil heroes are still etched in the collective memory of the nation.
Among these many brave hearts was a man who would become face of every young Indian soldier who fought bravely and died fearlessly.
And yes, we are remembering none other than Captain Vikram Batra.
Born on September 9, 1974, Vikram Batra was immensely popular among everyone.
Deeply patriotic from a young age, Captain Vikram was always keen to join the army. He used to say, money isn't everything in life. I want to achieve something bigger. I want to do something extraordinary for my country.
In 1999, when Kargil War broke out, Captain Vikram Batra had just completed a commando course at Belgaum. Captain Vikram Batra's unit finally received orders to move to Kargil.
In spite of the enemy having the advantage of height, Captain Vikram led a brilliant tactical assault on the enemy. The army camp was routed, its soldiers killed, and 13 Jammu and Kashmir rifles won a decisive battle on the history of India.
Captain Vikram Batra was called the Shesha. Even the enemies also knew who Shesha was. Towards the end of his mission, under heavy fire, he hurled grenades at the enemy's machine gun post and killed 5 soldiers.
Mortally wounded, Captain Vikram Batra passed away after completing the mission in a way that etched his name alongside some of India's greatest military heroes.
The blood of the martyrs is the seed of the nation. Kargil Vijay Divas is a way to pay respect to all the brave soldiers who defended the nation's wall without sleep and rest.
It is a gesture of appreciation to them, a promise to make them know that even if they are not in our sights, they remain in our heart and prayers.
That day can never come when I have to admit defeat. Fear was never in the dictionary that you gave me as my dad. Don't worry, nothing will worry your son. These were the words said by great martyr Captain Anuj Nair. Anuj Nair was born on August 28, 1975 in Delhi. A student of Dhola Kuan's Army Public School, Captain Anuj was a bright pupil who consistently performed well in his academics as well as sports. A keen volleyball player and a long distance runner, he was deeply patriotic from a young age and always wanted to join the army. He fulfilled his cherished dream by joining the National Defence Academy Echo Squadron. In 1997, he graduated from the Indian Military Academy to be commissioned into the 17th Battalion Jat Regiment, 17 Jat. As a junior officer in this regiment, he was posted in the Kargil region of Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian Army detected a massive infiltration by the Pakistani military in the same area. Captain Nair was given the responsibility of capturing Point 4875, also known as Pimple 2, which was then captured by the Pakistani military. The peak had steep slopes and capturing it without the support of Air Force was next to impossible. Captain Nair took this responsibility in his own hands as this was the top priority for the nation to capture this peak. He went ahead with his company and captured 3 out of the 4 bunkers. It was by capturing the 4th bunker that an enemy grenade fell directly on him. He was highly injured but did not back down until the final bunker was captured. It was the success of this mission that led to the capture of the Tiger Hill, which ultimately made the Pakistani force to move back from the battle. Captain Nair was given India's second highest gallantry award, Mahavir Chakra, for his exceptional courage, unyielding fighting spirit and strength. Captain Nair served in the military for just 2 years, but the mission he accomplished has made his memories immortal. He knew his passion from a young age and acted on it as soon as he got the chance. His courageous act led to the country's victory in the Kargil War. Today, we salute this hero who laid his life for serving the country.
India without her soldiers
would be like a god without his angels. Today I am here to tell about one of the legends of the Kargil war, that is Nayak Digendra Kumar. Nayak Digendra Kumar, regarded Mahavir Chakra Sena Medal, was born on 3rd of July 1969, is a former member of 2nd Battalion of the Rajputana Rifles Regiment of the Indian Army. After training, his battalion was posted to Kashmir. In 1987, he was selected for the Indian peacekeeping forces and took part in the Operation Pawan in Sri Lanka. In 1999, there held a conflict between Pakistan and India in the Kargil district of Kashmir between May and July. Major Vivek of the 2nd Battalion of the Rajputana Rifles, along with his company, was given the task during the war, and Kumar was given the control of light machine gun squad in the war. During the battle, Major Vivek Gupta was hit by a bullet wound to his head. This caused his martyrdom. Even Kumar was hit by a bullet in his left arm, though he kept on firing on the enemy and killed 48 soldiers of Pakistan. He himself received 18 bullets in his body armor. He was awarded the Mahavir Chakra on 15th of August 1999 for his acts of bravery in Kargil war. He retired from the army on 31st July 2005. His acts of bravery shall always be remembered in the hearts of every Indian.
The brave never die, though they sleep in dust. Their courage nerves 1,000 living men. I am Jia Dhankhar, and today I am here to pay my regards to Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari, a Kargil war hero, and to tell you all about his life. Back in 1999, on a peaceful summer night, when we were all tucked in bed, well, not all of us. I wasn't even born for the next 8 years, but you get it. Anyway, so back then, our Indian army was fighting along the Kargil border and the LOC to keep us from harm. Even though we won the war, 527 brave Indian lives were martyred. Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari was one of them. Born on 25th December 1970, brought up in a Kumaon Rajput family, he completed his schoolings from St. Joseph's College in 1987 and joined the Indian Military Academy. After graduating from there, he joined the 2nd Merchant Infantry. When the call of duty came, he answered it along with 1,000 others, marching on with a glorious purpose. As part of a battalion operation to capture the Tololing feature, our hero was tasked to secure the initial foothold, and he did so by capturing its forward spur, where the enemy held a strong position. While leading his company towards the enemy position, he was shot at from 2 sides, yet he managed to kill 2 enemy soldiers in a close quarter combat. The assault party continued to inch their way up. During this, he suffered grievous bullet injuries. Still, he directed his sub-unit and charged at another enemy position. There, he killed 1 more occupant, but unfortunately, later he succumbed to his injuries. Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari displayed exceptional valor, outstanding leadership in the presence of enemy, and laid down life in the highest tradition of the Indian Army. Mahavir Chakra, the 2nd highest military honor, was posthumously bestowed upon him for the bravery he showed and the glory he brought. It was due to the bravery of soldiers such as him that India was able to hold on to its sovereignty and push out enemy of the territorial limits. In the end, I would like to leave you all with this quote. Courage is contagious. When a brave man takes a stand, the spines of others are often stiffened. I wish you all a good day. Thank you.
भाईजान क्या करना है इसका?
ले चलो इसे। मुझे लग रहा है वो लोग आ गए।
हाँ भाईजान, छोड़ो इसे, हम निकलो। भाग गए।
आप लोग कौन है?
इंडियन आर्मी।
वो लोग आपको देख के क्यों भाग गए?
बेटा भागेंगे क्यों नहीं? हारे जो है हमसे।
पर एक बात बताओ बेटा, तुम इस सुनसान जगह में क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं अपनी भेंट ढूंढते हुए यहाँ पे आ गया और उन्होंने मुझे पकड़ लिया। अच्छा वो आप आ गए, वरना वो मुझे ले जाते।
ऐसे कैसे ले जाते? मारे होते।
बेटा तुम पढ़ते हो?
हाँ मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ।
वेरी गुड।
आपको इन लोगों से डर नहीं लगता?
नहीं बेटा, ये है कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, जिन्होंने अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए अपने सीने पर 12 गोलियां खाई थी। 12।
अच्छा और आप?
ये है नायक करनैल सिंह। अरे इनका नाम सुनते ही तो दुश्मनों के छक्के छूट जाते हैं।
अच्छा इसलिए वो भाग गए।
हाँ बेटा।
यस बॉयज, यस सर।
सर वो लोग निकल गए।
ये कौन है?
बेटा ये मेजर राजेश सिंह अधिकारी।
और तुम्हें पता है, इन्होंने भी अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए अपने सीने पर गोलियां खाई थी।
और तुम कौन हो?
मैं फिरोज हूँ।
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
मेरी भूरी गुम गई थी।
ये भूरी कौन है?
मेरी बकरी।
ओ अच्छा, वो तुम्हारी बकरी है?
आपने उसे देखा है?
हाँ, वो नीचे चेक पोस्ट की तरफ है। जाओ और ले लो उसे।
कहीं वो वापस नहीं पकड़ लेंगे क्या मुझे?
बेटा मैंने कहा ना, हमारे होते तुम्हें कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
क्योंकि इंडियन आर्मी के वीरों के शरीर ही नहीं, उनकी आत्मा भी यहाँ पे टक के खड़ी है।
बिल्कुल।
जाओ ले लो उसे।
भूरी, वो देखो मेरी भूरी मिल गई। वो क्या लिखा हुआ है? कारगिल के वीर शहीदों के नाम। ये तो बहुत सारे हैं। ठीक है, नायक करनैल सिंह, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा। इसका मतलब
इंडियन आर्मी के वीरों के शरीर ही नहीं, उनकी आत्मा भी यहाँ पे टक के खड़ी है।
है मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में, तेरा मेरा प्यार तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी